All right, everything is finally done. It's a little messy, as you can see. I'll have to clean that up. This got a little messy. This stuff is it's just messy. I only had like 5 disposable gloves, and I could have used a whole box, but whatever. It's not really black per se. It's kind of like dark gray almost. Just kind of lame. Should I fill these? I think they should be fine not filled because it's sort of like squeezed out in between the whatever. So yeah, it looks like shit, but I think that it should be watertight. Still not dry. Did it last night at like 4 o'clock. But it actually definitely stabilized these parts where like the sheet metal was deforming and then it would like pop back. Now like you step on it and it just like it comes back by itself. So it's definitely regained its strength in the hood, and I don't know about right there. I don't know if that was like that or... Next step is the roof rack. Stay tuned, guys. Be sure to subscribe. Click the bell for notifications.